Hello, Grandpa here. Today we are going to be making an easy pie crust from Grandma's recipe. Our ingredients are 1 cup flour, 6 tablespoons of cold butter, 1 cup ice cold water, but we'll be only using 4 tablespoons out of this cup. The first step in our process is to put the 1 cup flour in a large bowl. Take our tablespoons of butter, spread it around, then we take our cutter and cut the butter into the flour until it comes to look like breadcrumbs. So we start pressing, cutting up the butter into small bits. This is a little bit of time consuming. It takes a few minutes to do this. It's starting to come to get down to the crumb looking part of it now. And once we get all the flour combined with the butter to look like crumbs, we'll add our 4 tablespoons of cold water and use a fork to mix it in. It's taken us about 3 minutes so far to do this. Scrape the butter off the cutter a little bit, a little sticky there. Looks like crumbs now. Now we're going to add 4 tablespoons of cold water, 2, 3, 4, and we mix it all together with our fork. Get it all blended together. It's a nice paste dough consistency. We want to get all the loose flour into the dough. That looks about right. Down. And now we get down to the hand part, where we take our hand and squeeze it together, make a ball. We knead it a little bit. And we got all the dough into the ball. Okay. It's a little tacky. That's okay. Press it together a few times. Put it down in a bowl, let it sit while I go get my whiteboard. I have my whiteboard here. First we're going to take some flour, sprinkle our flour on the board. Get our bowl of dough. I usually pat it down. Everybody's got different techniques in doing this. And we start to roll it out a little bit in all directions so we try to remain a circle. And we try to get it out to 10-12 inch circle. And we get it down to 1/8 of an inch thickness. And we got about 11 inch circle, because I know from here to here is 10 inches on my rolling pin. And the dough has been rolled out to bigger than the rolling pin. Now this pie crust can be used for pies, chicken pot pies, mini pie tarts, homemade Pop-Tarts, an apple galette, and other type of pocket doughs where you would make a square out of this and put fillings in it and bake it. But this is how I make my easy pie crust. I hope you enjoyed the video.